Hello, welcome to a Nanome tutorial. Today we're going to go over how to create a new account. For that, we will just go to this Create Account button. Every new account gets 14-day free trial for Nanome v2. So to create a new account, I'm just going to use a dummy email address. So we'll go joe123 at nanome.ai. Will give us a username, Joe123, a very secret and secure password that we will change later. Every password needs a capital letter and a special character. We are part of a commercial company. That commercial company is Nanome. And yes, hit me with all the news. All right, so just like that, we should get a new account. We have our new account, and now we are in Nanome v2. So we have workspaces, but this is a brand new account, and we don't have any workspaces. We also have a collaboration tab, so if there were other users in my organization and they were online right now, I could invite them somewhere, or they could invite me somewhere. And we also have our settings here, so we could toggle pass-through. We allow two-handed grab rotation, so this means that when you're trying to resize something, can you also rotate it as well? This enable far grab snap to hand. If your protein's kind of far away, you can just point at it and use that laser pointer. And when it's highlighted, you'll see a purple box. And then you can use the grip button, this one here, and that will bring it to you. Show other users' avatars. In this version of Nanome, the avatars aren't synced with the player's location. They just show up in a circle around. And each person is represented by these little orbs. When you're not in a workspace, they'll be white, but when you are in a workspace, they'll be color-coded, so everyone will know who you are by your color. Enable interface sounds. This just as it is. If you want things to give you some feedback, little sound feedback when you click a button, that's what that's for. And the show tutorial guide is this menu on the left. You can toggle it on and off at any time if you want a reminder for what our buttons are. All right, that's it. That's just a nice, simple tutorial on how to create a new account. All right, now that I've created my account, when I come back into Nanome, all of my information, once I put it in, it will get remembered. So every time I come back in from now on, it'll be remembered there. There's also this protein here in the lobby. So if you ever just want to practice scaling, if you're trying to show somebody Nanome and you want to give them a really good, easy practice, you can just bring them into this space. Then we can make our protein bigger, scale it around, and just use this as a little practice space.